morning, gigahertz. All right, there it is. That's a $10 cinnamon bun. I bought 2 of them because, well, there you go. Galactic cluster. Well, there's probably the campsite for tonight. We made it. Situations. Oh, see, I just lied to her. She thought we made it. We still got a lot to go. Sorry, buddy. It's beautiful though. Fantastic. Haven't seen a soul on the trail. Do you like snow? You like snow? Some people might think you made it when you got to this spot. And if you're dumb like me, and when you read the map in a hurry to get your dog walked, you think it's 3 miles round trip, then you realize it's 3 miles up. This is the real pile of rocks. We got mountains for days. Case area, and we found an awesome rock couch just like this. You can sit down in here with a little bit of a windbreak and you get this awesome view.